Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everybody. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Wasilata Sani, but you can call me Fasih. I live in Cipete in Jakarta on Jalan Haji Ami. I was born in Jakarta on the 14th of December 2015. So I am 10 years old now. I have 6 persons in my family. They are my father, my mother, my older sister, me, and 2 youngest brother. We live together happily in my family. My hobby is playing soccer. I do my hobby every day. I like my hobby. It is because it is fun and healthy. I do my hobby every day. I like my hobby very much. Talking about my daily education.
I'm a
I'm a student in Alisan Islamic Elementary School.
And now,
I'm in grade 4.
talking about
Talking about my favorite
things.
My favorite fruit is durian. 2. My favorite food is fried chicken. 3. My favorite drink is lemon tea. 4. My favorite color is green. 5. My favorite vegetable is carrot. 6. My favorite subject is sports. 7. My favorite film is cartoon.
Talking about
My daily activities, I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning.
After
that, I go pray subuh in the mosque until 5 o'clock.
I
take a bath at 6 o'clock. After that, I get dressed and have breakfast.
at 6:30.
At 6:30, I go to school by motorcycle with my mom.
Okay. I arrive
at school at 6:45. We start studying in Al Ihsan
with
with Qiraati lesson.
we have the first
We are the first.
we have the first break
We have the first break time at 9:30.
okay. We get into the class
We got
again?
into the class again at 10 o'clock.
Okay, never mind. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everybody. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Al-Fatur Ahmad, but you can call me Al or Fatur.
I live in
Kemang, Jakarta.
on
On Jalan Haji
Kemang
Mukti,
Selatan, South Kemang.
Kemang Selatan 12A.
Okay, right.
I was born
In?
in Jakarta
On
on
the 8th
the 8th June,
of June.
the 8th of June
Okay.
2016.
Okay, right. So I am
So I am
9.
9 years old now.
Okay, right. I have
I have
4
four
person.
person in my family.
Okay.
They are my mother, my father, my mother, my older sister, and me.
Okay, we live.
We live together and happily in my house.
Okay, right. My hobbies
My hobby is playing soccer
because
it's
Because
fun
it
and
is.
healthy.
okay, right. I do
I do
my hobby
my hobby
every
day.
I like
I like it. I
I
like
like
my
my
hobby
talking
very
about-
much. Talking about my education.
I'm a student
I'm a student in
Ihsan
Alisan
Islamic
Islamic Elementary School.
and now I am
And now I am
in
grade
grade
in grade 3.
Okay, talking about
Talking about my favorite
things.
things.
1.
1. My favorite fruit is dragon fruit. 2. My favorite food is hamburger.
Good.
2.
Three.
3. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola.
Okay. 4.
4. My favorite vegetables
Color.
Eh,
4
color.
color.
colors. My favorite color is purple.
5.
5. My favorite vegetable is carrot.
6.
6. My favorite my favorite subject is English.
Okay. 7.
7. My favorite
Film.
film is cartoon.
Talking about my daily
Talking about my daily activity.
I go to bed.
I go to bed
At?
at night 9 o'clock at night.
Okay. I wake up
I wake up
I wake up
at 4 o'clock
in.
in the morning.
After that,
After that, I praying subuh.
I go pray
I go praying
Sub-
subuh
in the in the mosque until.
until 5 o'clock.
Okay. I take a bath
I take a bath
at
at
at 6
6 o'clock.
After that, I get
After that, I
dressed
dressed.
and
I have
break.
breakfast.
Oh my God! At 6:30,
At 6:30,
I go to
I go to
school
school at
by
by my motorcycle
with
with mom.
with my mom.
With my mom.
I arrive at school
I arrived at school
at
at
Six.
4:45.
4:45. We start
We
studying
start study
in
in
Al-Isan
Alisan
with Kiroati
Fikirati.
lesson. Oh my God! We have
We have
the first
the first breakfast
break
in
time
break time
at
at 9
third.
9:30.
We get into the class again.
At 10 o'clock.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everybody. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fakih Adnan. But you can call me Fakih. I live in Cipete, Jakarta on Jalan Haji Mukri. I was born in Jakarta on the 12th of June 2015.
So,
So I am 10 years old. I have 6 person my family. They are my father, my mother, my older brother, me, and 2 youngest brother. We live together happily in my family.
Nice.
My hobby is playing soccer. I like it because
because it is,
I like it because it is fun and healthy.
I do.
I do my hobby every day. I like my hobby very much.
Talk.
Talking about my education, I am student in Alisan Islamic Elementary School.
And now,
And now I am in grade 4.
we're talking.
Talking about my favorite. 1. My favorite fruit is apple. 2. My favorite food is meatball. 3. My favorite drink is iced tea. 4. My favorite color is green. 5.
Right.
My favorite
Vegetable.
vegetable is carrot. 6. My favorite subject is mathematics. 7. My favorite film is cartoon. Talking about my daily activity.
I got to.
I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. I
Wake
wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. After that, I go to pray subuh. I go to pray subuh in the mosque until 5 o'clock. I
take about
take a bath.
At
I
six?
take a bath at 6 o'clock.
after that.
After that,
Get
after that I
dressed
After that, I get dressed
and have
and have breakfast.
at 6:30.
At 6:30,
I go
I go to school. By motorcycle
with
with my mom.
okay, right. I arrive
I arrive
at school
at school in
at
I arrive at school at
6.
45.
We start
We start studying.
In Alisan.
with in Alisan with Kirati
lesson.
lesson.
What have we
What
have? We have
we have
the first.
the first break time at 10 o'clock.
No,
At
9:30.
9:30.
We get into the class.
We get
We
get into the class
Again.
again
At
at 10 o'clock.
okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. You are welcome.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay.
Now,
Question. Okay. No, closer. Okay. When you say in front of the student and of the people, okay, this is in the morning or in the afternoon. When you say it, when you say this, okay, right. This is in the afternoon or in the morning.
Morning.
In the morning, good. Okay, right. What do you introduce? What do you introduce? Whom do you introduce?
allow me to introduce myself.
Okay, myself. Okay, right.
Myself.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmad Basila Tatsani.
Okay, how do I call you?
Al.
You can call me.
You can call me Al.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Jeptain, Jakarta.
Okay, on.
On Jalan Haji Mukri.
Okay, sorry. Where do you was born?
I was born in Jakarta.
Okay, when do you was born?
I was born in Jakarta.
No, when? When?
Oh,
On
8.
I was born
I
on
was born on 8 June.
the 8th
The 8th
of.
of June 2016.
Okay, right. So how old are you?
So I am 10 years old.
Okay, right. Direct. How many person are there in your family?
I have 6 person in my family.
Okay, who are in your family?
They are my father, my mother, my older sister, and me.
Okay, how do you live with your family?
We live together happily. in
Okay,
my
right.
family.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing soccer.
Okay, why do you like playing soccer?
Because it's fun and healthy.
Okay, how do you do your hobby?
I do my hobby every day.
Okay, how do you like your hobby?
I like my hobby very much.
Okay, talking about education. What is your school?
My school is Al Ihsan Islamic School.
Elementary.
Elementary school.
Okay, right. What grade are you in?
I am grade 4.
I am in.
I am in grade 4.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is durian.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburger.
Okay, right. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is iced tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is
Carrot.
carrot.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
What is your favorite film?
My favorite film is cartoon.
Okay, right. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go
go
to bed.
to bed at 9 o'clock.
Okay, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 4
I usually
o'clock.
wake up.
I usually wake up
At?
at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. What do you usually do after wake up?
I go pray subuh in the mosque.
Okay, right. What time do you still in the mosque? Until what time do you still stay in the mosque?
Until 5 o'clock.
Okay, right. What do you usually do after come back from the mosque?
I take a bath.
Okay, what time do you usually take a bath?
I get
I take a
dressed.
bath.
I get dressed.
No, what time do you usually take a bath?
At 6.
Okay, I take a
o'clock.
bath.
I take a bath at 6 o'clock.
Okay, what do you do after take a bath?
I get dressed
And
and I go to school.
breakfast. Okay, right. What time do you usually go to school?
At 9:30.
I go.
I go to school at 9.
Eh?
My
Go to school. What time do you go to school? 9?
At 6:30.
Okay, right. How do you go to school?
At
How do you go to school?
Oke, apa kamu berangkat?
How?
by
Okay, I go.
I go to school by motorcycle.
Okay, right. Whom? No. Whom did you accompany? Okay. Who does usually accompany you to go school?
With my mom.
Okay, right. Good. And then, what time do you arrive at school?
I arrive at school at 6:45.
Okay, right. And then, what lesson do you usually study in Alisan? I study
I study karate
lesson.
lesson.
Okay, right. And then, what time do you usually have the first breakfast?
It's 9 o'clock.
No,
9:30.
we have
We have
the first
the
breakfast
first breakfast
at.
at 9:30.
Okay, right. And what time do you usually get into the class again?
We
We
get into the class again at 10 o'clock.
That's very, very
Very
good.
good.
Thank you.